Hey everybody, welcome to Strong Arm Plastic Works. I'm going to be your host, Nico, today. This is GunPrimer's gate removal system. And I gotta tell you that when I first heard about this from my friend who owns a hobby shop, told me that these tools were phenomenal, so I decided to give them a try. I reached out to GunPrimer and put in my first order, and I was hooked from this point moving forward. So the gate removal system goes in about 3 different spots. You're going to go with sanding, then buffing and shining, and then going from there. So a list of the tools that I've used are Balancer Gray, Balancer White, Razor the Black, and 400 and 600 grit sandpaper. So right now I'm just going to undo this plastic, get everything ready here, and without further ado, I'm so excited to be able to share this with you. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to now put them through the test. So I'm going to cut out some pieces here. This is the Gundam full armor Verka from Thunderbolt. So I've been prepping this for quite a bit. Now I'm just cutting out some pieces here. 2 snips with the God Hand, and I have my little nubs here left. I'm going to get in a little bit closer here, but not too close because I want to make sure that I sand them down properly and really get them cleaned up. And this is where this kit really does shine. So here's where we're at. Here's the little nub that I'm going to get rid of. So right now I'm going to go ahead and set up the Razor the Black with 400 grit sandpaper. And you can cut these into different sizes. You can get up to 26 for a single pack. It comes with a pack of 2 sets. Cut them to the size and fit. I like to get them wet here, so that way it's easier to manageable to get sanded. So I'm going to get this all cleaned up. Now, one of the things I like about Razor the Black is that it's a really good way. The build quality on them is phenomenal. And I gotta tell you, as I've been using these for a few months, it has definitely replaced a slew of my sanding sticks. So here we are right now. We're going to be in the 600 grit. So we went from 400 grit to 600 grit. They also do have 220 and 320 if you really want to get them polished. I'm going to start with 400, going to 600 here. And as you can see right now, the nub is pretty much not there, but we do want to get that prim and polish that the piece was from when it was on the runner. So I'm going to take the Balancer here. I would say Balancer Gray is about 2000 grit. It's a really nice and firm sponge. It gives you a really good control. You can also cut them as well. And then following off with the piece de la resistance, just Balancer White, which gives me that clean polish. And as I'm wiping away the little excess here, you can just see that the nub and the gate is just gone. It's just not even there anymore. So if you really want to give this a shot, I really like them. They may actually replace a lot of your sanding equipment. So if you want to go to gunprimer.com, SAPW10 for 10% off your order. My name is Nico. Again, it was a pleasure seeing you, and see you on the next one.